So I know that you've seen Kinetic sand with mascarin where the sand sticks to itself, and I wanted to do something similar and make something like that today. So this is regular sand and it crumbles, right? And before we make our activity, I wanted to show you something that's important in science, okay? We have two kinds of ways that materials can be. Really, there's more than two kinds of ways, but these are the two I want you to learn. One is liquid. Water is a liquid, right? So if I take water, right, it can pour and it can flow. So show me how water can pour and flow. Show me with your hands. Water can flow, right? Now, we also have something that is called solids. Solids are things you can hold in your hand, like this bucket, and they don't change shape, right? Solids don't change shape. Hey, Jordan, do solids change shape?
No.
Okay, so tell me something that's solid. And I have some examples up here if you want to use them. What do you think? What's something that's solid?
An apple?
An apple, solid, it doesn't change shape. What else is something that's solid? It doesn't change shape. Something that never changes shape when you hold it in your hand.
A book?
A book? Good, a book is solid. Jordan, can you think of something that's solid?
Huh?
Can you think of something that's solid?
Yes. Cornstarch.
The container?
Yeah.
Okay, the container's solid. Cornstarch itself is a powder, but it's also, yeah. So we're gonna make a material that's not really a liquid and not really a solid, right? Even though most things are liquid or solid, we're gonna make a material that is a little bit of both, and we're gonna talk about why it's a little bit of both. So you're gonna take 1 cup of sand.
2 cups.
Oh,
3 cups.
because there's 3 people?
Yes.
Yeah, everyone's gonna get 1 cup, so together it's 3. We're gonna take 1 cup of sand. We're gonna take 1/3 cup of cornstarch. And notice that I have it all over me, and I'm not even stressed out about that because it wipes off. And when it goes in the wash, it washes off. All right, you can mix that together with your hands. And I'm just gonna use my hands because it's easier. Good, we use all of our materials, which is great. Don't worry.
All right, watch the cornstarch, y'all.
Yeah, the cornstarch is a little bit messy because it's such a soft, fine powder that it just spreads everywhere. Here you go, Marie. Mix that in.
Oh boy.
Jordan's nervous already. Jordan, I'm gonna help you with it because I don't want you to be nervous. You're gonna do it? Okay. I like the confidence. All right, 1/3 cup.
The cup is full.
That's okay.
Oh, really? I'll throw it out.
Oh, good, help it
I don't
out.
want you to cut yourself on.
So-
All right, here you go, Jordan. Mix it in.
Do you notice that they feel different, the cornstarch and the sand?
All right. All right,
All right.
and then after that, we're gonna take a
Great.
1/4 of a cup of water. So what's the most thing that you have in your mixture? Hold on, Shakira, let me give you a little less. What's the most thing you have in your mixture? What do you have the most of? What do you have the most of? Sand or cornstarch? Sand. And then cornstarch. And then even less what? What's the smallest thing we have is the water.
Just a little teeny tiny bit. Jordan, come on over yet?
Pour it in slowly.
We're gonna
and
do
mix
it later.
slow. Yeah, Jordan, we'll clean up at the end.
Because you're
That
about
makes
to
sense,
get
'cause-
even messier.
Yeah.
No.
All right, here you go, Marie.
Cup of water. Cup of water. Yeah, do this. It looks like mud.
It kind of does look like mud at first.
Like
All right, let me give Jordan from this one.
Like I'm making cookies.
Right, because we have ingredients and we mix them together.
I would give him even less than that because he didn't have the whole. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Here, Jordan. Mix it in slow, slow, slow.
Whoa.
Oh, you need some more cornstarch. Let's see. So if it's really liquidy, what do you think you need more of?
No.
If it's really watery, what might you need more of?
What am I doing now?
What do you think, Marie? If it's really watery, you might need more
I
cornstarch,
have to mix it up.
right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to give you some that you already know.
That's fine.
Got it, too. You can mix it in there, too. Okay? Yeah. Oh, look, we have some more cornstarch.
What am I doing now? It's dry like we're showering.
Yeah. The cornstarch is the thing that makes the water stick to itself, right? When the water and the cornstarch combine, it makes it harder, right?
You can mix that with a spoon.
Well, use your hands. You gotta really work it with your hands. See how it feels tough, and then
Why done with this, I'm gonna get you.
look, it's soft, and then hard, and then soft.
Here, Jordan.
Here, mix it all up. You want to try and mix all yours together?
Mush.
Okay.
Oh, Marie, yours is really liquidy, so I think we need to add more sand. See if you can. Yeah. There we go. There's some more sand.
Open it here.
No, put it all on your plate.
Oh, what? It's getting there.
Yeah, it is getting there. Can you make it into a ball?
Can I get more water, please?
Well, we
if you
don't
get
want
a little
it.
more water, it might be too liquidy. Try to make it
This is
into a
like-
ball.
See if you can get it all together.
Oh, let's see, Marie. Let's drain some of this water. I'm gonna drain some of the water out. Yeah. There we go.
That's how mine was.
Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit more. Drain some of this water out.
It's not. It'll get so. Easy.
Yeah. See, Marie, if I'm draining the water out, what do you think is gonna happen? You think it'll be more watery or more liquid or more solid when I drain the water out? Oh, Marie, that is a really good guess. Let's see. What do you think? Play with it and see what happens. Is it more solid now?
Yes.
Do you want to pour more of the liquid out even?
No.
You want to leave it like this?
Yeah.
That is your prerogative.
Huh.
So see if you can roll it into a ball.
It's a ball.
Yeah, you did it last time. See if you can roll it into a ball.
Oh, ugh.
You know what? If yours is feeling too dry,
You guys
You could
maybe
help
mix it
out
together,
Marie.
yeah.
you could make like a joint pile.
Okay. A what pie? Okay.
A joint pile, like the two of you together.
How's it going, Jay?
That's how you play. I do it.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, this has been really fun.
I love playing with this stuff.
Shakira, can I take some of yours for Marie?
Ooh, got something in there. Ooh. I don't know.
Oh, don't worry too much about it. All right.
You have food?
No. All right, Marie. Now can you make it into a ball? Let me see who can make it into a ball. So take it in your hands, and if you're not sure, I'm gonna help you out. Take it in your hand and roll your hands around.
It's not even. It's too dry.
See if you could do it.
Hey, Jordan, if yours is dry, then you can share a little with Marie too, because Marie's is kind of too wet, right?
Yeah.
So Jordan, here I'll trade you a handful of Marie's for a handful of yours. 'Cause
Trade.
If I give you some that's wet, it will.
Dry.
Here, let's give a little bit of this to Marie. Here,
Here, look, you get
switch.
some of hers.
You got to trade.
There you go. And you got some of hers. There you go. All right.
Easy peasy. No more thing.
Okay, so let's. Oh, Shakira, yours is almost a ball. So take it in your hand and roll it in a ball. Good job, Marie.
Yeah.
Come on, roll it together like this. Here, put some in the middle of my hand. Ready? Yeah. See how it's starting to form a little bit of a ball? Okay. Now can I put it in your hand?
Marie.
Here, hold your hand out. Ready? Ready? Put your hand out. Try and put it in a ball. Make it into a ball. Ready? Here's more. Add to it. Make it a
so
bigger
I have
ball.
a question. If you just
A
tap on it,
ball.
how does it feel? Does it feel hard? If you just tap light. Does it feel hard?
It
Does it feel
sounds
hard?
like a stomach.
Here, let me show you. Put your fingers out straight.
It sounds like you're hitting
Does
a
it just feel
stomach.
hard?
Huh?
No.
But is it hard? Is it a solid?
Mine is soft.
What makes you think it's not solid? It can. What's not solid about it? It changes what?
I'm not to make a ball.
It changes its.
You're doing it.
Its shape, right?
Yes.
It doesn't stay the same shape. So do you think it's solid or liquid?
Liquid.
You think it's liquid? What do you think, Jordan? Solid
Yes.
or liquid?
Liquid.
It's not really liquid though, because it doesn't pour. Look,
Look, this is a liquid.
right? It doesn't pour.
How are they different?
Sand is dry that way.
This is a little drier than that. Do they move the same way? If I do this, shake your plate around. Does it move like this? No, it doesn't.
I'm gonna make a piece out of this.
What's happening? Is the shape staying put? Is it staying the same shape or is it moving?
It's moving.
Mm.
So this is a really interesting substance, and we say that it's neither really a liquid nor a solid.
Solid.
And do you guys want to know something really complicated? Can I teach you something like really hard that scientists talk about? They say it's a non-Newtonian substance.
Whoa! Everyone say non-Newtonian.
Non-Newtonian.
Say it one more time. Non-Newtonian.
Non-Newtonian.
And the reason they say that is because it doesn't follow the regular laws. Because it can be hard and stay its shape, or it can be mushy and change its shape. But you can't pour it like liquid. It's a surprising material. It's unexpected.
Oh, this material doesn't follow the rules.
Since you guys stayed
have to
and
go to
did
timeout.
extra work with me, we can add food coloring to it to make it extra fun.
Excellent. So let's put it in our bags, and I will get the food coloring.
Okay, so
You're
roll
gonna
it
mix
up
it
in a
in your
bowl,
bags.
and I'll come around with the bag. All right.